Easiest way to go to Sea Aquarium in Singapore is through a taxi. So here we are in the taxi. So we are going to Sea Aquarium in Sentosa. We booked our ticket online. So even if we purchased our ticket online, we still have to go to the ticket booth of Sea Aquarium so that they can email us the real ticket with QR code, which we will use in entering the place.
Cutting, oh, cutting. Cutting. Philippine style, yeah, cutting.
We're going to have our tickets scanned. 3 tickets. 2, 3.
Actually, nakapasok na kami. Pero, kunyari lang.
Netakan tayo.
Okay. Just show your palm. Okay. Thank you.
Nakuha ka ng maigi, ha? Kuha ka lang ng kode mo naman.
Hindi ko naman inon eh.
Yeah, those fish, those are... What is that?
What's your favorite fish you want to eat?
That blue...
You speak him about what
is that?
You look for your favorite fish.
Biofilm provides nutrients for fish. Lolo shark. Father shark, father shark, mother shark. Mother shark, father shark. Natalia, can you pull out my phone there? Then I'll replace it with this phone. So, what did you... No. There's your dad. Look at the star. Where's the aquarium? Where's my Hawaii jump? Oh my god. Hi! You tell them we're here at Universal Studios. We're here at Universal Studios. But we're not going inside. Because she's been here. You remember? Yep, she remember it clearly. We've been here. So, we're going to see aquarium where she has not been into. Right? Okay. So, this is... Where's the Sea Aquarium? Tickets, Universal, that's wrap. Ocean food. Ayun, Sea Aquarium there. Let's see Sea Aquarium. You wanna hold it? There. It's still recording. It's safe. So you can see your face. Hello.
Kaya po hindi sa akin ipinapaubaya ang itinerary if I have traveled with friends dahil super hina ko po talaga sa directions. Like this, may nakasulat ng Sea Aquarium, mga arrows, pero hindi ko pa rin po na masundan. Kaya babala po, Pagdating
My
sa
brother,
direksyon, wag po kayong aasa sa
her
akin.
father,
Kahit sa mall lang
said
yan.
not to book. And now it's more expensive. If I booked it month ago under Klook, but since I'm very obedient in general, I obey people.
That sounded wrong.
Yeah,
That sounded wrong.
expensive. But it's okay because I love this little girl.
Am I little? I'm almost as tall as you.
Yeah, and you'll be taller. Where's the sea aquarium? There, I can see it.
Huh?
Alright, let's go there. Let's go the waterfront. Waterfront. Where's the waterfront? There, waterfront.
We are walking backwards.
There, sea aquarium. Sea aquarium. You see that? Sun. That into the wonderful sea. Hindi siguro, pero it's okay. We want to go to Adventure Cove. We can do that since we have
Ayan, Myra, sabi ko sa'yo, pwede ka bumili ng ticket dyan, no?
so here's the ticket booth, but I ordered online. So